Did you know a poorly done renovation can knock up to 20% off your home's value? Yes, some upgrades are actually downgrades in disguise. Are you unknowingly sabotaging your biggest investment? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Erica McClain, your go-to guide for smart real estate moves in Chicago's Northwest Side and suburbs. Today, we're diving into common and totally avoidable mistakes that could silently drain the value of your home. Let's make sure that's not happening to you. Whether you're thinking of selling soon or just protecting your investment, maintaining or better yet, increasing your home's value is the name of the game. But here's the challenge. A lot of homeowners think they're adding value when they're actually doing the opposite. Ever seen a bright purple kitchen or carpet in the bathroom? Yep, some home improvement ideas are better left on Pinterest. And sometimes doing nothing is the biggest mistake of all. Let's break down the usual suspects. Deferred maintenance. That leaky faucet or aging roof, buyers notice and they deduct. DIY disasters. I love a good project, but unpermitted or sloppy work screams future problem to buyers. Curb appeal chaos. Overgrown bushes, peeling paint, or lawn gnomes on every step. First impressions matter a lot. Over personalized upgrades. Your jungle themed bathroom may be fun, but for buyers, it's a fast exit. Each of these can cost you thousands or more when it's time to sell. But the biggest mistake, ignoring the local market. Your update should reflect what buyers in your area want, not what HGTV is pushing this month. I had a seller who nearly listed at a loss after years of mismatched upgrades. We reevaluated, focused on strategic fixes, and boom, sold above asking in just days. Moral of the story, knowing what adds value locally is everything. So remember, stay on top of maintenance, keep updates timeless, and always think about buyer appeal. Protecting your home's value doesn't have to be complicated. It just needs a smart game plan. Have you seen these mistakes in your own neighborhood? Drop a comment and share the drama, story. If this helped you, share it with a fellow homeowner and don't forget to check out my other videos on easy home updates that actually pay off and hit that subscribe button. I've got your back when it comes to real estate smarts. I hope you found this information helpful. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you back for another video.